Hey people, so we are at this place called Haiku and this is some pad thai and wow, this is cold. So if you want to take a look, this place is Ayush, take a bite and let us know how it tastes. Oh, it's hot. Ooh. I had mastered that. Awesome. This looks good. Yeah, this is more than yeah, that's enough. No. I'll take a probably give me the fork. I need a fork. Sorry. Yeah, we'll need a fork also. Yeah. Oh, the comfort Thai green curry. So we'll take a bite of this. You could eat it with chopsticks, but yeah, Ayush, there's a fork there next to you.
Take another fork. I have a fork. Thank you. One more fork, please. Thank you.
It is piping hot and it seems tasty also.
How's your Thai?
Yeah.
You'll have, na?
Yeah, no, later. This is good.